Hello and welcome to another episode of Indulge Storyboard. This week's episode, we've got something special planned for you. Week after week, we at Indulge bring you a daily reckoner. But this time, we've got a getaway special. This one's for keeps. This collector's edition is the ultimate holiday guide for the next 2 years. Our cover story takes you beyond the touristy cliches. It's not just the graffiti-lined walls of Melbourne's Hosier or the narrow pathways of Zurich. We hung out with some locals to unearth some cool haunts that are not on the radar of the average traveler. Move over, Paris. Holidays can only mean one thing: kicking off your shoes and letting your hair down. And we've got just the place for you. Or should we say places? From the White Horse Tavern in Rhode Island to Ye Olde Mitra in London, we take a look at some of the oldest watering holes from around the world. However, if you want to indulge in some history that changed the course of the world, we've got you covered with the new travel trend: dark tourism. From concentration camps in Poland to the Chernobyl exclusion zone in Ukraine, we explore regions with troubled histories that are now becoming tourist spots. On a lighter note, traveling to these places will require quite a bit of shopping. But we've taken it a step further and handpicked some amazing accessories for your journey. Read all about it on indulgeexpress.com. Finally, we take a much needed road trip to the heart of the Himalayas in some very capable Tata Harriers and Hexes. While the cars themselves were great, we couldn't help but admire what Mother Nature had to offer along the journey. Check out our car and bike page for more information on routes and must-see spots along the way. That's all for this week. Thanks for tuning in and see you again soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow us on our handles here, and here. Listen, my Lord, got a